Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we simplify tech one bit at a time. Today, we are diving into the world of SQL, specifically the powerful select statement. By the end of this video, you will know how to fetch any data you want from your tables like a pro. Let's jump in. First thing first, let's create a sample table and data set to work with. I'm going to create a table called customers. This is where the magic begins. Let me copy my query to create the table. Let me paste it and let me run my query. And you can see that we successfully create a table called customers. Now let's insert sample data into our customers table. So let me go back to my Visual Studio and let me copy my query that I've already written. So let me execute the query. So I have just created a customer table with some sample data. You can copy this script, run it, and you are ready to go. Now let's explore how to use the select statement to fetch this data. Let's start simple, pulling all columns from the table. So for we to pull all columns from the table, so you click the select statement, asterisk means all, from the customer table we just created. And let me run the query. You can see that it has fetched all the data we inserted into our table. And this is the SQL equivalent of saying, hey database, show me everything in the customer table. It's fast and easy, but not always the best approach. For we to select specific columns, what of if you only want the first name and email? So for we to select the first name and email, we use the select statement, first name, email, from the customer, a semicolon. So let me run our query. You can see we've gotten the specific columns, which is the first name and email. This makes your query cleaner and avoid pulling unnecessary data. Remember, less is more. So in the next one, we're going to add the where clause. Now let's get fancy. What if you only want customers from Saskatoon? Here is how. So you use the where clause, say select all from customer, from the customers table, where city is equals to double quote or single quote, anyone you prefer. I prefer single quotes. And there is Saskatoon. So let's look for the cities in how many city in Saskatoon. So you can see the where clause lets you filter data, so you're not so you're not overwhelmed by too much information. So it will help you filter the data. Looking at it, we have filtered the data to fetch only people living in scarce cattle, and we can see in this data it is John Doe and Levi Elijah that are living in scarce cattle. So the next simple query you're going to learn is to learn how to use aliases for better readability. Aliases let you rename column for better readability. So for we to make it readable, so we choose select, first name. From our table, we're going to select the first name, and we're going to call it, in alias you use as alias. So we're going to take it as first name, last name as last name, and city from. So note the difference here. It's showing first name and last name, but they are together. Here now we want to make it readable, more readable, so we separate it like the normal English text as first name and last name. So let's run our query. So you can see that this is especially useful when working with complex or technical columns name. So this is how you use aliases. So let me write aliases. So the next one is to sort the results. Note I put double quotes. This is how you comment on SQL. Let's sort data by last name. It's as easy as this. So let's sort our data. So select all. I'm going to order by last name. ASC means ascending, while DSC means descending. So let's sort our last name by ascending order. So you can see B, D, 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 E, F, O, X, W. So it sorted the last name by ascending order. Let's sort by descending order. So let's sort by descending order. So you can see it started from wasting, which is the highest, speed, O, F, E, D, D, B. So this is how you sort in SQL. So finding null value again. So for we to find null values, so let's select all from customers, where where city is null. You can use small letter and you can use capital letter. It's your choice. SQL is not case sensitive. So let's find all the null value in city. So you can see in the city, we only have 2 null values. So let's find the null value. So you can see we have these 2 null value. So the is null condition is perfect for tracking down incomplete record. For it to be null, it shows that the data there is not available, so it's incomplete. And that's it. You now know the basics of the select statement and some cool trick to make your query smarter and more efficient. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow SQL enthusiasts. Have questions, drop them on the comment section. See you in the next video. Happy querying.